Hi everyone, welcome to Somar's cooking channel. Today I will be making tapioca pearls with two colors. One is light brown and another one is dark brown. And if you want to have them bouncy and chewy, please keep watching closely. I will tell you how to make the perfect pearls. Before we start, please like and share this video to your friends and your loved ones. And don't forget to subscribe to get further recipes. Okay, let's get started. Here are the ingredients. We have 90 grams tapioca starch, 45 grams dark brown sugar, and 60 ml water. Here is the brand of dark brown sugar I used to make dark brown pearls. First, pour 60 ml water into the pot. And then add 45 grams dark brown sugar into the pot too. Stir it well until it completely dissolves. Add 1 tablespoon of tapioca starch into the sugar mixture and stir it well. Turn on to medium heat and put the pot on the top. Continuously stir it until it turns condensed. So now we can turn off the heat. Then put the remaining tapioca starch into that mixture. Be careful, it's very hot. You can use spatula or spoon to combine it together. When the mixture is a little cooled down, you can transfer it into the board. And before put it on the board, you will need some loose powder and apply it on the board so it won't be so sticky. Now we arrive to the important key. If you don't make it properly, the dough or the pearl will melt while boiling. So in order to have the chewy pearls, we have to knead the dough until the texture becomes smooth. And you have to be careful too, don't let the dough too dry. If the dough is too sticky, you can add some loose powder while kneading. Right now we have a smooth texture of dough and we don't see any clump inside. Then shape the dough and divide into 4 parts. After cutting them into smaller pieces, please keep it in the plastic bag so it won't get dry. And then we will start making the light brown dough to make light brown pearls. The ingredients to make the light brown pearls are exactly the same to the dark brown ones, except one thing, we will use regular brown sugar instead of dark brown sugar. And the process of making the dough is the same too. We will start rolling piece by piece to a long shape so the rest will keep in the plastic bag so it won't get dry. Put some loose powder on the board. And also put some loose powder on a plate. Roll the dough into a long shape. Our dough is perfect. Cut them into small pieces. You can use knife or dough cutting like this. And the best size should be 0.5 centimeter. Roll them into a round shape. We will do the same to the dark brown dough. We finished rolling up the pearls. Now we need a pot of water and bring it to boil. The water is boiling, so add the pearls into that pot. Gently stir it and wait until the water boiling again. The pearl shape changed, but don't worry, it will be okay after it's cooked. The water is boiling again, so with the medium heat, you have to boil it for another 20 minutes. The pearls are almost cooked, so the shape is getting better. Okay, time's up. So turn off the heat and cover it by the lid and let it sit for another 20 minutes. This process will help our pearl get well cooked. Okay, time's up again, so we will transfer the pearls into the cold water. The pearl looks so good. This process we will remove the excessive starch. And we will clean it one more time with ice water. It looks delicious and chewy. We will cook the pearls the second time by adding another 70 grams dark brown sugar and 140 ml water. Turn on to medium heat and stir it continuously so it won't get rest at the bottom, so it won't get burned. And yeah, we have to continue stirring it until we have less water. Now turn the heat to a lower. And please stir it until the water becomes condensed. Now we have done the pearls, so transfer it into a bowl or the glass bottle. Now let's make the tapioca pearls drink together. So put some pearls into a glass and coat it. Put the ice cubes. Then pour the milk, or you can mix it with the tea too. Let's have a taste together. The taste is so good. It's so yummy. The pearls are chewy. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye.